Good morning children. As you already know that I have uploaded one video of geography on the topic globes, latitudes and longitudes. In the previous video, we have learned about latitudes. We have learned that latitudes are imaginary lines running from east to west or west to east, as you can say. We have also learned that there is a dividing line called equator, which divides the earth into two parts, and we call it two hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Children, today we will learn another most important line which we find on the globe, that is longitude. Children, latitudes were horizontal lines and imaginary lines, you can say. Again, longitudes are vertical lines, as you can see in this image. These are also imaginary lines. You will not find any such type of lines on earth, but these are drawn with the purpose of locating the distance and the location of the places. So here, as you can see, that these lines starts from North Pole to South Pole. Okay, these lines goes from north to south, both the sides, and these lines, as you can see, they are equally divided, means the distance between the lines are equal. Here we have total 180 degrees, we have 180 longitudes we have on one side and 180 longitudes on another side, means 180 in east and 180 in west. Okay children, as you can see in this image, here we find one dotted line which runs from north to south. It is you can say it is dividing it into two equal halves, just like equator divided into north and south. This line is dividing the globe from in east and west. Now this line, this dotted line is called prime meridian. It is at 0 degree, as you can see I have written here. Now this prime meridian is located at Greenwich, London. This has been taken as the central meridian, you can say, because from here the geographers were able to set the location and the time of other longitudes. Okay, so now children, we will study about longitude and time, how time is decided. As we all know that earth rotates from west to east. It means that east of Greenwich, this side, will be ahead of time, and the rate of difference can be calculated as 360 degree in about 24 hours, which means 15 degree an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Okay children, so now in this globe, can you see small squares? These squares are formed by the two lines which we have studied, latitudes and longitudes. These latitudes and longitudes, they intersect each other and they form squares. These squares are called grids, and this is the grid system which we call in geography, which we find on the globe as well as on the map. Now the purpose of this grid is to find the location of the places. This grid helps us in locating the places on the different parts of the globe. Now children, we will study about longitude and time. Now here you see, when the sun is just right above this prime meridian, as you can see this dotted line, all the countries which falls under this will have the same time. Okay? Now, as we know that the earth rotates from west to east. So the country, when it is moving, it moves like this. The countries which are in the eastern side will have, the time will be added to this side, whereas the countries which are in the west, there the time will reduce. So east of Greenwich will be ahead of time. The rate of difference can be calculated as 360 degree, means 180 degree here and 180 degree in the east, is of 24 hours, which means 15 degree an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. This is how the time is calculated with the help of this grid, which you can see in this image.
Children, let's find out why do we have standard time. A country may have many longitudes passing through it. Hence, different places may have different time within the country. Thus, every country chooses a longitude that passes through its center, as you can see, and the time at that longitude is taken as the standard time of that country. In India, the longitude of Prayagraj, earlier known as Allahabad, which is at 82.5 degree east, is taken for calculating the standard time. Now you can see that this standard time is known as the Indian Standard Time, IST. The Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. I hope it is very much clear to all of you. Now, let's recap what we have done in this chapter, or what we have learned through longitudes and latitudes. The earth is round in shape. It rotates on its axis. Its 2 points are called poles. The North Pole lies in the northern hemisphere and the South Pole lies in the southern hemisphere. Lines of latitude are called parallels. They are drawn from east to west. Latitudes are imaginary lines that run parallel to the equator. Longitudes are semicircles that join the North Pole to the South Pole. The latitudes and longitudes cross each other to form a grid. The prime meridian 0 degree is taken as the starting line for all other meridians. The network of parallels and meridians on the globe is called a grid. To locate a place on Earth, we must know its latitude and longitude. I hope it is clear. Now, here is an assignment for you all, and I hope you will definitely enjoy it. Children, now an image is given. What you have to do, just look at these two images and write 3 points of difference between the latitude and the longitude. I know you all will be able to do it. One more question for you is, it's very interesting. Just think, you want to see live cricket match which is scheduled to begin at 10 a.m. GMT. At what time you will be able to watch it in Delhi? Just think and write down the answer in your copy. We will be discussing about it in the next class when we meet. Thank you and have a nice day.